Hello. Welcome to Read, Learn, Listen.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
My name is Nico.
And my name is Laura.
Today's topic is breakfast.
Yes, we are going to talk about breakfast in English.
This is a fun topic. Everyone eats breakfast.
Well, not everyone. Do you eat breakfast, Nico?
Yes, I do. I love breakfast. It is my favorite meal of the day.
Me too. Breakfast gives us energy for the day.
In this episode, we will do shadowing practice.
Shadowing means you listen to us and then you repeat.
When you repeat, try to copy our pronunciation.
Try to copy our speed and our rhythm too.
Don't worry if it is not perfect, just try.
Practice makes progress.
Let's start with some easy sentences.
Repeat after us.
Hello. Welcome to Read, Learn, Listen.
Today, we're talking about breakfast.
I love breakfast. It is delicious.
Breakfast gives me energy.
Let's learn English together.
Great job! Did you repeat the sentences?
It's okay to pause the video and try again.
We will do shadowing practice many times in this episode.
So, are you ready to learn breakfast words in English?
Let's go.
Nico, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That is early.
Yes, but I like the morning. It is quiet.
What do you do first when you wake up?
First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
And then?
Then I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast.
How long does it take to make breakfast?
About 10 minutes. I don't like to wait a long time.
That's funny. What do you make?
I usually make toast and eggs. It is quick and easy.
Now, repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast every morning.
I usually eat toast and eggs.
It takes about 10 minutes.
Do you drink anything with your breakfast?
Yes, I always drink coffee.
Coffee? Every day?
Yes, every single day. I need coffee in the morning.
I understand. Many people need coffee to start the day.
Do you drink coffee, Laura?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea in the morning.
Tea is nice too. What kind of tea do you drink?
I like green tea. It is light and healthy.
Interesting. I should try green tea.
Repeat after us.
I always drink coffee in the morning.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea in the morning.
I like green tea. It is healthy.
Coffee helps me start the day.
Laura, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8 o'clock. I like to sleep a little later.
Lucky you. And what do you eat for breakfast?
My usual breakfast is yogurt with fruit.
That sounds delicious. What fruit do you use?
I like banana and berries. Blueberries are my favorite.
Do you eat anything else?
Sometimes I eat a piece of whole grain bread.
Wow, that sounds like a very healthy breakfast.
Thank you. I try to eat healthy in the morning.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at 8 o'clock.
My usual breakfast is yogurt with fruit.
I like banana and blueberries.
I try to eat healthy in the morning.
Sometimes I eat a piece of whole grain bread.
Do you always eat at home?
Yes, almost always. I don't like to skip breakfast.
What does skip mean?
Skip means to not do something. So skip breakfast means to not eat breakfast.
Ah, I see. That is a good word.
Right. And I never skip breakfast because I feel very hungry at lunchtime.
Me too. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired and hungry.
Exactly. Breakfast is important.
Do you always make breakfast yourself?
Yes, I do. It is very easy to make yogurt with fruit. You just need a bowl.
That is true. It's fast too.
Repeat after us. I don't like to skip breakfast.
Breakfast is very important.
When I skip breakfast, I feel tired.
I always eat at home.
It is easy to make. You just need a bowl.
Let's talk about common breakfast foods.
Great idea. There are so many delicious breakfast foods.
Let's start with simple ones. What about eggs?
Eggs are very popular for breakfast. You can cook them in many ways.
You can fry them, boil them, or scramble them.
My favorite is scrambled eggs. They are soft and warm.
I like fried eggs. I put them on toast.
That is a classic. Egg on toast is so good.
Repeat after us.
Eggs are popular for breakfast.
You can fry eggs, boil eggs, or scramble eggs.
My favorite is scrambled eggs.
I like fried eggs on toast.
Egg on toast is a classic breakfast.
What about cereal? Do you eat cereal?
Yes, cereal is very common. You put cereal in a bowl with milk.
It is quick and easy, great for busy mornings.
Right. I sometimes eat cereal when I'm in a hurry.
What other foods do people eat for breakfast?
Pancakes. People love pancakes for breakfast.
Oh yes, pancakes are soft and sweet. You put syrup on them.
Delicious. But pancakes take more time to make.
That's true. They are more of a weekend breakfast.
What about fruit? Do you eat fruit in the morning?
Yes, I sometimes eat an apple or a banana.
Fruit is great because it is fast and healthy.
Repeat after us.
I eat cereal with milk.
Cereal is quick and easy.
I love pancakes for breakfast.
Pancakes are soft and sweet.
I sometimes eat an apple in the morning.
Okay, let's pretend we are making breakfast together. I love this idea. What do you want to make? Let's make a simple breakfast. Toast, eggs, and juice. Perfect. I can make the toast, you make the eggs. Good plan. First, I need a pan. Where is the pan? It's on the shelf. I'll get it for you. Thank you. Now I put the pan on the stove. I'm putting the bread in the toaster. It's easy. I add a little butter to the pan. Good idea. Butter makes everything taste better. Repeat after us. Let's make breakfast together. First, I need a pan. I put the pan on the stove. I add a little butter. I'm putting the bread in the toaster. Okay, now I crack the egg into the pan. The toast is ready. It is golden and warm. It smells so good. I add a little salt to the egg. Do you want pepper too? Yes, please. I like pepper on my eggs. Okay, I'll pour the orange juice now. Perfect. Breakfast is almost ready. Should we add anything else? Maybe some sliced tomato? I love tomato with eggs. Great idea! Tomato adds color and flavor. Okay, breakfast is ready. Let's eat. This looks amazing. Enjoy your meal. Repeat after us. I crack the egg into the pan. I add a little salt and pepper. I pour the orange juice. Breakfast is almost ready. Enjoy your meal. Let's talk about how food tastes. Yes, it's important to know taste words in English. There are many words to describe taste. For example, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and savory. Sweet means like sugar, like pancakes with syrup. Salty means it has a lot of salt, like some crackers. Sour is like lemon juice. It makes your face go like this. Yes, sour foods are very strong. Savory means it's not sweet, like eggs or toast. Most people like savory foods in the morning. Repeat after us. This is sweet. It tastes like sugar. This is salty. It has a lot of salt. Lemon is sour. It is very strong. Eggs are savory. They are not sweet. My favorite flavor is sweet. What is your favorite flavor for breakfast, Laura? I love sweet things in the morning, like fruit with honey. Honey, that sounds amazing on yogurt. It's delicious. Have you tried honey on toast? Yes, I love honey on toast. It is sweet and warm. What about jam? Do you put jam on your toast? Sometimes. I like strawberry jam. Strawberry jam is great. It is sweet and fruity. What other words can we use to describe food? We can say creamy, crunchy, soft, warm, or fresh. For example, yogurt is creamy. Toast is crunchy. Fruit is fresh. I love fresh fruit in the morning. Repeat after us. This yogurt is creamy and delicious. My toast is crunchy. I love that sound. This fruit is fresh and sweet. The eggs are warm and soft. I love the taste of honey in the morning. Let's talk about healthy breakfast choices. Good idea. Many people want to eat healthy in the morning. What do you think is a healthy breakfast? I think oats are very healthy. Do you know oats? Yes, oats are also called oatmeal. It's warm and filling. I sometimes make oatmeal with banana and a little honey. That is a great combination. It has good energy. What other healthy foods can we eat for breakfast? Eggs are healthy too. They have a lot of protein. Right. Protein helps your muscles. It keeps you full. Whole grain bread is also healthy. It has fiber. Repeat after us. Oatmeal is a healthy breakfast. Eggs have a lot of protein. Protein keeps me full. Whole grain bread has fiber. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. What about drinks? What is a healthy drink for breakfast? Water is the best, but many people drink orange juice. Orange juice has vitamin C. That is good for your health. Yes, it helps your body fight sickness. Green tea is also healthy. That is true. Green tea is great for your body. What is not a healthy breakfast choice? Too much sugar is not healthy, like very sweet cereals or donuts. I love donuts, but you're right, they have too much sugar. A donut once a week is okay, just not every day. Repeat after us. Orange juice has vitamin C. Vitamin C is good for your health. Green tea is healthy. It is good for your body. Too much sugar is not healthy. I try to eat healthy every morning. Now let's travel the world with our breakfast. I love this part. Different countries have different breakfast traditions. Let's start with the United Kingdom. What do people eat there? In the UK, a traditional breakfast is called a full English. What does a full English include? It has eggs, bacon, sausages, bands, toast, and tomato. Wow, that is a big breakfast. Yes, it is very filling. People don't eat it every day. I can understand that. It sounds delicious, though. Repeat after us. In the UK, people eat a full English breakfast. It has eggs, bacon, sausages, and toast. It is a very big and filling breakfast. People eat it on special occasions. It is a famous British tradition. What about breakfast in Japan? In Japan, a traditional breakfast is very different. Yes, they eat rice, miso soup, and fish. That sounds very different from a Western breakfast. It is, but it is very healthy and balanced. What about in Mexico? In Mexico, people eat huevos rancheros. That means ranch eggs. Eggs with salsa and tortillas. Yes, it sounds so spicy and delicious. And in France, I think of croissants. You are right. In France, people often eat a croissant with butter or jam. And a café au lait. That means coffee with milk. Repeat after us. In Japan, people eat rice and miso soup for breakfast. In Mexico, people eat eggs with salsa. In France, people eat a croissant with jam. Every country has a different breakfast tradition. I think it is interesting to learn about food from other countries. Do you eat a different breakfast on the weekend, Laura? Yes, the weekend is special. I have more time. Me too. On weekdays, I eat quickly. On weekends, I relax. On Saturdays, I love to make a big breakfast. What do you make? My favorite special breakfast is French toast. Oh, I love French toast. What is in it? You use bread, eggs, and milk. You fry it in butter. And then you put cinnamon and syrup on top. Exactly. It is sweet and delicious. It is not very fast to make, but it is worth it. Repeat after us. On the weekend, I have more time. I love to make a special breakfast on Saturdays. My favorite special breakfast is French toast. French toast is sweet and delicious. It takes more time, but it is worth it. What about you, Nico? What is your special weekend breakfast? I love to make pancakes on Sunday morning. Classic. What do you put on them? I put maple syrup and fresh berries, sometimes some whipped cream. That sounds amazing, like a dessert for breakfast. Yes, maybe, but it is Sunday. Sunday is special. I agree. Sometimes you need to treat yourself. Do you ever go out for breakfast or brunch? Yes, I love going to a cafe for brunch on Sundays. What is brunch? Brunch is a combination of breakfast and lunch. You eat it around 11 or noon. I see. So it's a late breakfast and an early lunch at the same time. Exactly. It is very popular on weekends. Repeat after us. I make pancakes on Sunday morning. I put maple syrup and fresh berries on top. Sunday is special. I treat myself. Brunch is a mix of breakfast and lunch. I love going to a cafe for brunch. We are almost at the end of today's episode. Time really flies when we talk about breakfast. Let's review what we learned today. We learned common breakfast foods, like eggs, toast, cereal, yogurt, fruit, and pancakes. We learned how to talk about our morning routine. We learned taste words like sweet, salty, sour, savory, and crunchy. We talked about healthy breakfasts, and we learned about breakfast traditions around the world. And we talked about special weekend breakfasts. That was a lot of learning today. Now let's do our final shadowing practice. These are the most important sentences from today. Listen, then repeat. Repeat after us. What do you eat for breakfast? I usually eat toast and eggs. My favorite breakfast is yogurt with fruit. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I always drink coffee in the morning.
I prefer tea. It is light and healthy.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
On weekends, I make pancakes.
I love to try different foods from around the world.
Practice English every day. You are doing great.
Amazing! You finished the shadowing practice.
How do you feel? Do you feel more confident?
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Remember, the more you practice, the better you get.
Try to use these sentences in real life.
You can talk about breakfast with your friends or your family.
Or you can write about it in the comments below.
Yes, tell us, what do you eat for breakfast?
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video.
And subscribe to Read, Learn, Listen.
Share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.